Boost your independence in the bathroom with our 12-inch Super Suction Grab Bar. This suction bar offers extra support as you move around your bath or shower room without the need for tools, messy drilling or expensive renovations. The large rubber suction cups at each end of the Super Suction Grab Bar are locked and unlocked using pressure switches. Applied to a wall or other smooth, non-porous surface, this grab bar creates a super strong vacuum seal for a safe and secure helping hand around the home. Thanks to its quick release design and light weight, the Super Suction Grab Bar can be moved from room to room with ease or taken with you when you travel. This item can be purchased individually or in a double pack. To find out more about this item or any other products in our bathroom aids range, visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or just give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.